My name is Souzana. Welcome to Love Belly Dance, my fundamental Oriental style belly dance vocabulary series. I'm going to teach you a basic Egyptian. So to begin with, we're going to stand in balanced, supported posture. Toes are facing forward. It's about fist width apart. Knees are soft. Pelvis is in neutral. The tip of our fig leaf is pointing straight to the ground. Our core is nice and supported as if we're wearing a light corset or Spanx pulled all the way up, holding and supporting and helping to keep the pelvis in that neutral position. So we're going to, when we do a basic Egyptian, we are combining two things. We are combining the hip twist and a hip lift. So a hip twist and a hip lift. Okay, so when we do our hip lift, the way I taught it before was you keep the foot right underneath your hips. So you're starting in that basic position, right, with your fists width apart. You're gonna lift one heel. You're gonna slide the thighs together. Now when we do the basic Egyptian, it's important that you bring the foot out in front of you, about a half a foot width in front of the other foot. Okay, this is going to assist us because what we're going to do is we're going to combine point A and point B to create point C. Okay, so you're doing an up hip twist, up hip twist. So if you are lucky enough to have a cute little tattoo right here on your rear end, I want you to show me that tattoo, okay? So as you do your up hip twist, you're showing me your little tattoo there. So again, start in balanced, supported posture, lift one heel, slide the feet together so they're touching, and then go ahead and bring the foot about half a foot's width in front of the other foot. Okay, and then here's your little tattoo here. Let's go ahead and bring your arms out into a nice, strong, basic position of the arms, and you're gonna twist forward while you lift. Twist forward as you lift. And show me that tattoo. That's right. You're gonna keep the thighs close together like you're holding a dollar bill there. And you're going to keep your standing leg that's got most of your weight. You're gonna keep that knee soft, okay? So avoid straightening the knee, because then you start getting a nice bob going up and down. So you wanna stay really nice and level as you do your up hip twist on one side. Let's try it the other side. So start with a balanced, basic posture. Lift one heel, slide the foot in so the thighs are touching. Now place the foot a little bit further in front of you, about half a foot's width in front, and then we're going to lift and twist at the same time. So nice strong arms, elbows lifted, up hip twist. So if you have a tattoo there, let me see your tattoo. And twist, up hip twist, up hip twist, up hip twist. Keep the knee soft right here. Good. Now to make it a basic Egyptian, we're gonna do one and the other. So the footwork is touch together, touch front, feet together, touch front, feet together, touch front, feet together, okay? So we're gonna add that up hip twist with the footwork. So always, always, always get the footwork first, understand where your foot placement's going to be, and then add the hip movement to it. So we're going up hip twist, feet together, up hip twist, feet together, up hip twist, feet together, thighs are squeezing, dollar bill. And let me turn to the side and do this. Twist, up hip twist, up hip twist, and to the back, up hip twist, to the side. Good, and that is our basic Egyptian.